Well, I have a question here. Question 1 says, on a certain day, a tower operator sent 11 tower buses or 11 different destinations to 11 different destinations. Now, the table below shows the number of passengers on each bus. And then question 1.1 says, calculate the mean number of passengers traveling in a tower bus. All right. Right here, question 1.1. 1.1. So we're looking for the mean, meaning X bar, okay? That's what we're looking for. And then we do know that the mean X bar is given by the sum of all the X's, meaning all the data, divided by the number of the data, okay? And so X bar will be equal to, we're going to do the sum of all this, like 8 plus 8 plus dot 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 plus 25 plus 26 divide by 11, because there are 11 of them. We can count like this, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. So we do the sum of all this. X bar will be equal to, I'm going to use a calculator here. We will do 8 plus 8 plus 10 plus 12 plus 16 plus 19 plus 20 plus 21 plus 24 plus 25 plus 26. Okay, all this over 11. So you press equal. We get this number in fraction, and then to find the decimal value, press SD, the SD button here, and this means 17 points. Okay, the 18 in the brackets here stand for the decimal that repeats. Okay, the recurring decimal. So it's like 17 plus 18, 18, 18. So we just want to say 17.18 to the second decimal places. All right, so that makes 17.18. That's the mean. Okay. Now the following question says, calculate the mean number. Excuse me. Write down the 5-number summary of the data. Okay, I'm gonna write here 1.2. The 5-number summaries, as we know, they are the minimum. We need to find the minimum. We need to find the maximum. Excuse me. The maximum and also the median. Okay, before I say the median, okay, let's say the median, which is the same thing as the second quartile, okay? And the first quartile and the third quartile. Those are the 5-number summaries. So for the median, for instance, I mean, let's say for the minimum. The minimum is the least value. As we can see over here, the minimum is just equal to 8, because that's the minimum, okay? 8, the smallest value, and then the maximum must be the largest one, 26. So maximum must be 26, and then the median. Then the median is we need to determine. We have the formula that we have determines the position of the median. It tells us why the median is its location, not the median itself. The formula that we do of, I always write the formula in red. So, excuse me, here. We know that the median is equal to a half times n plus 1, okay? So this will be, the median will be a half times 12, which is 6. 6 here tells us this the 6th position. So when I look at here, position number 6 is over here, it's 19. So we say the median, therefore, the median is equal to 19. Okay. Now we also need to find the first quartile and the third quartile. Okay, what is the first quartile? The first quartile is the median of the the first half of the data sets, okay? So because we find the median already here, so we need to find, we will select the median of this part, okay? This part here. Now we can see that the middle value is 10, okay? So we don't really need to do calculations here. It's 10. So let's say Q1 equals to 10. And then Q3, similarly, will be the mid parts of these other parts, okay? Of these other parts here. So we can see that's 24. So we can just say Q2 is equal to 24. So those are the 5 number summaries, okay, of the given data. Okay. Now, this was question 1.2. Now we do question 1.3. The question says, draw a box and a whisker diagram for the data used. Use the number line provided in the answer book. Okay, so I'm going to use the number line provided in the answer book here. Okay. Now put some here. So that's question 1.3. We want to draw the number line. The scale was given starts from 6 and a scale of 4. So I'm going to draw the lines over here. Okay, let's say 6 there, and then 10, 14, 18, 22, 26. I want to say double this, just drawing 30, 34, 38, 42, 46, 50, 50. Okay, I want to do this. So 6 here, and then 10, and then 14, and then 18, and then 22, and then 26. Okay, if I use what was okay, the same number line as in the answer book. So now, following this box whisker, I will and I look at the my values here, my data sets here. Okay, let's take this. The first value is 8, the last one is 26. So let's move over here. Okay, I think we just need this the diagram here, the table here. So paste and table over here. Okay, let's say it's table. Okay, we have it there. So now the first one is 8. So the minimum value. So I'm going to say 8 is between 6 and 10. So 8 must be somewhere there. So 8 is over here. So 8 there. And then the median, we find the median was equal to, let's see again. Oh, the median is already here because the median is the middle value 19. So 19 is just a little, must be somewhere here next to 18. So 19 must be somewhere there, that's the median. We also find the first quartile. The first quartile was 10. Okay, the mid part, the first quartile is over here. So there I can just draw a line. Okay, and then the median also the second quartile, just draw a line. And then the third quartile must be 24. This one, 24. also going to draw a line here. And then the maximum is 26. So by 26, I put a dot. Now this, I can connect this, connect that, and then connect this, connect that. Okay, something like that. So maybe you can just show a rectangle like this. Okay. Something like that. Okay, that's the box whisker. Now the following question says move question 1.4. Question 1.4 says refer to the box and whisker diagram and comment on the skewness of the data set. All right. Now let's look at the box that we draw here. If we look at the box, this line here, the median is more closer to it's more to the right. Therefore, we will say that the data set is skewed to the left. So skewed this part. Okay. Say here skewed to the left. Now, question 1.5, let's see. Question 1.5, now the question says, calculate the standard deviation for this data set. All right, we can use a calculator to find the standard deviation. I'm gonna put my calculator here. Then this is how we can do this with the calculator. Press the mode button here, and then it will display all these options. Now we're going to select statistics. As we can see, statistics is option number 3. Okay, stats, it's number 3. Then you press 3, and then you have like set option. Now we only have like one variable here, single variable. So I'm going to say one variable. Select 1 for that, 1, and then I can enter my variables. Okay, as we have like 8 there, I press 8, and then I to validate that by pressing equal sign. Okay, I press the equal button, then I take 8, and then another 8, and then I press equal, and then 10, and then press equal, and then 12 equal, and then 16 equal, 19 equal, 20 equal, 21 equal, 24 equal, 25 equal, and 26 equal. Now that you enter the data, we can just press AC and then press the shift button over here in the calculator, press shift, and then press 1 for stats. Then we're going to select number 4 for var, okay? Number 4 there, and then the notation for the standard deviation is this one, 3. So if you press 3 and then press equal, now it tells us what the standard deviation is. It's 6.46 forward, 6 so that's when I stop by 46 here to the second decimal place. So therefore we say the standard deviation, excuse me, SD will be equal to 6.46. Okay. Now the last question is question 1.6. The question says here, a tower is regarded as popular if the number of passengers on a tower bus is 1 standard deviation above the mean. How many destinations were popular? Excuse me. Were popular on this particular day. Now, because it is said it is above, okay, the question says if the number of passengers on the tower bus is 1 standard deviation above the mean, okay, so this is what we're going to do. we're going to say the mean was obtained was equal to 17.18, right? So we're gonna do 17.18 plus the standard deviation, okay, above the mean. So 6.46 equal to 23.64. Okay, then now to answer the question, that is how many destinations were popular on this particular day. When I look at the destination, okay, 23.64 is somewhere, okay, the destination must be integers, okay? So meaning this one, let's count them like this. So that we have like this destination were popular, okay? 24, 25, and 26. Therefore, we say 3 destinations. 2 destinations were popular. Thank you.